Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. In the previous class we have discussed about two types of systems of numerations, that is Indian system of numeration and one more international system of numeration. Okay, let me ask you some questions from that. 1 million equal to how many lakhs? It's 10 lakhs. Good. 10 crore place is in which system? In which system we use 10 crore? Indian system or Indian international system? Indian system. Good. In which system after every 3 digits we insert commas from the right hand side? Out of these two systems, which system? International system. Very good. One last question. Millions. Okay. Millions period in the international system of numeration divide into how many places? Good. 3 places. What are they? Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay. Now let us go for the today's practice time sums. Fifth bit, write the following and the expanded form Indian system. So the given question in the standard form, we have to convert it into the expanded form in Indian system. Okay, let us count the places here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. These 3 places belong to ones period. Then in Indian system next period is thousands period, thousands and 10,000, and next period is lakhs. In the lakhs period we have lakhs and 10 lakhs, but here we have only one place, that is 1 lakh place. So in the 1 lakh place the number is 6. Okay, now let us write the expanded form like this. So expanded form of this number is like this. First 6 is in the 1 lakh place, so 6 into 1 lakh plus 8 is in 10,000 place, so 8 into 10,000, 8 into 10,000. Next, plus 1 is in thousands place, so 1 into 1000, plus 4 is in hundreds place, so 4 into 100, plus 1 is in tens place, so 1 into 10, and last 4 is in ones place, so 4 into 1. Okay, after that we have next step. 6 into 1 lakh gives 6 lakh. 6 into 1 lakh is 6 lakh, plus 8 into 10,000 is 80,000, and then plus 1 into 1,000 is 1,000. 1,000. 4 into 100 is 400. Plus 1 into 10, 10. Plus 4 ones, 4. So the given question is standard form 6,81,414, and expanded form we wrote in this way. So finally we will get answer like this: 6,80,000, 1,000, 400, 10 and 4 with plus. Okay. Now let us go for the B question. Now question B, look here. Let us go for the periods first. This is ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period, and this is crores period. We already know in crores period we have crores and 10 crores. So what is the highest place here? 10 crores. In the 10 crores place, what digit we have? 1. So let us start the expanded form like this: 1 into 10 crore. Okay, plus 2 is in which place? 1 crore place, so 2 into 1 crore. 2 into 1 crore. After that, next digit 2 in the 10 lakhs place, so 2 into 10 lakh plus 2 into 10 lakh. Then we have 5, digit 5 in the 1 lakh place, so 5 into 1 lakh plus 7 is in 10,000 place, so 7 into 10,000. Next plus 2 is in 1,000 place, so 2 into 1,000. Next 4 is in hundreds place, so 4 into 100, plus 2 is in tens place, so 2 into 10, and last digit 1 is in ones place, so 1 into 1. Okay. Now after multiplication our answer will be like this: 1 into 10 crore, it is 10 crore. 1 into 10 crore will be 10 crore only. Okay. Look here now. 2 into 1 crore, 2 crores. After that, what we have? 2 into 10 lakh. So 2 tens, 20 lakh. 20 lakh. Then we have 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakh. Plus 5 lakh. 7 into 10,000. 7 tens, 70. So 70,000. Plus 2 into 1000. 2 into 1000 is 2000. 400s, 400. 2 tens, 20. Plus last 1 ones is 1. Okay. Now we completed A question and B question. Let us go for the 6th bit. Now 6th bit. Express the following in the standard form Indian system. So they have given expanded form. We have to write in the standard form. Okay. First let us count for the highest place here. See, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, then crores period. In the crores period, which place we have? 10 crores place we have. So highest place is 10 crore. Now let us come in the period wise order. 10 crore, then we have crore, then 10 lakh, lakh, after that 10,000, then thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. The 10 crores place, which digit we have? 8. So 8. Next directly 7 into 10,000. That means there is no 1 crore. So 1 crore place 0. And there you do not have any 10 lakh also, 0. Lakhs place also not given, so 0. So directly the question given is 10,000. So 7 into 10,000. In the 10,000 place let us write 7. And do you have thousands place? Yes, 1000 into 9. That means 9. In hundreds place we have 5. Is it? 5. Next, do we have tens place here? There is no tens place. So 0. And in ones place, which digit we have? 7. 7 ones, 7. Like this. Okay. So this is the standard form. And see, according to the periods, let us insert the commas from the right hand side. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, here we have to insert the digit. Insert the commas. Okay. Comma, comma, comma. So what is our answer? 80 crore 79,507. Okay. Let us go for the next bit. Now 7th bit. Write the following in expanded form using international system. We know already international system, in each period that there are 3 places. So shall we revise that? What are the periods in the international system? First we have ones period, then we have thousands period, then we have millions period. Okay. Now let us go for the question. So ones period, thousands period and millions period. In the 1 million place we have digit 3, so we call it as 3 million. And 732 in the thousands period, so 732,000. And last 409 in the ones place, ones period. Okay, let us write the expanded form for this. So what is our highest place? Millions place. So 3 into million plus followed by 100,000. In 100,000 place we have 7. So 7 into 100,000 plus 10,000 place we have digit 3. 3 into 10,000. Next, in 1,000 place we have digit 2. So 2 into 1,000 plus in the hundreds place we have 4. So 4 into 100 plus in tens place we have 0. So we have 2 options here. We can write 0 or else simply we can leave this place. So first, no problem, let us write this side here. So 0 into 10 and last 9 in the ones place. So 9 into 1. So the final answer after multiplying will be like this. 3 into 1 million. 3 million plus 7 into 100,000, 700,000, 700,000 plus 3 into 10,000 is 30,000 plus 2 into 1,000 is 2,000. Okay, 400 plus. As I said, we can skip this because in the tens place we have 0 value, so place value will be 0. So we can directly skip for the next place. What is the next place? Ones place. In the ones place we have 9. So 9 into 1 is 9. So this is the expanded form for the given question in the international system. Let us go for the next question. Next we have question B. So look here. Let us go for the periods again. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Millions period, what are the places? 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, in 100 millions place we have digit 6. So the 100 millions place is the highest place here. Let us go for the expanded form of this number. So highest place is 100 million. Let us write like this. So 6 into 100 million. Next, in the 10 million place, which digit we have? 4. So 4 into 10 million. Then in the 1 million place we have digit 9. So plus 9 into 1 million. After that, next period, thousands period. So thousands period places, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. In the 100,000 place, which digit we have? 8. So 8 into 100,000. After that, 10,000. So 5 into 10,000. Next place is thousands place. So 2 into 1,000. Then we have hundreds place. 9 into 100 plus. As I said earlier, when there is 0 in the question given, so we can skip it or we can write, no problem. That's your option. So 0 into 10. Then ones place also 0 into 1. Okay. Now after multiplying, your answer will be like this. 6 into 100 million. 600 million. 600 million. Plus 4 into 10 million. 4 tens 40. So 40 million. Then plus 9 into 1 million. 9 ones 9. So 9 million. Then 8 into 100,000. 8 hundreds 800. 800,000. Plus 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10, 50. So 50,000. Plus we have next thousands place. 2 into 1,000. 2,000. Plus in hundreds place 9. So 900. So there are digits 0 and 0 in the tens place and hundreds place. The place here will be 0. So we can skip and we can stop answer right here. So let us go for the next bit. Now 8th bit. Express the following in the standard form, international system. So using international system we have to express this number in the standard form. So the given question is in the expanded form. We have to write answer in the standard form. So as it is international system, first let us write the periods and places. First let us check the question here. See here we have two periods, ones period and thousands period. So this will be the highest place in our question. So in thousands period, what is the highest place? 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. So let us start our places like this: 100,000, then 10,000, then 1,000. Okay, this is one period. What is the next period here? Ones period. So in that ones period, 100, 10s, 1. According to that, let us write the digits here. Now in 100,000 place, what digit we have? 6. So let us write 6 here. Next 8 into 10,000. So 10,000 place 8. In the thousands place we have digit 1. Okay, now this is one period completed. Now in hundreds place we have digit 4, then tens place we have 1, and in ones place we have 4. So as this is one period, let us insert commas using the period. We have to insert commas after every 3 digits in the internal system from the right hand side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits completed. So what is the standard form? So as this is thousands period, so 681,414 is our answer. Let us go for the next bit. Now 9th bit, write the place value of underlying digits in Indian system as well as international systems of numerations. Okay, now the given question is like this, and there is a digit underlined, so we have to write the place value of this number, means this digit, in both Indian system as well as international system. So first of all, what we have to do, let us write the same number here in Indian system. The same number 300545 and what is the underlined digit here? 3. Let us underline the 3 again here. According to the Indian system, let us insert commas according to the periods. Okay, first once a period in the Indian system, 3 places, 1, 2, 3, insert comma. Then we have thousands period, 2 places, thousands, 10,000s, and then we have lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what is this place? 10 lakhs is the place. So I'll write here for clear understanding. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, one period completed. Now this is thousands place, thousands, 10,000, and lakhs period. So lakh, 10 lakh. So in the 10 lakh place we have 3, digit 3. So 3 tens, 30. So 30 lakhs is the place value here. So I am going to write the place value. So what is the place value here? 30 lakh. Okay. Now if you go for the international system, let us write the same digit again. 3 0 0 5 4 5 6. Underlined digit is. Now let us insert commas according to the international system of numeration. You know already very well, in international system of numeration, after every 3 digits we insert comma from the right hand side. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. For clear understanding, let us write the periods and places also. First period is ones period. In ones period we have ones, tens, hundreds. Next period is thousands period. In the thousands period we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. What is the next period after this thousands in the international system? It is millions period. In the millions period we have only one place, that is 1 millions. Okay. Now what will be the place value? In the 1 million place we have digit 3. So 3 into 1 million, it is 3 million. So write the place value like this. 3 into 1 million is 3 million. Okay. So our answer will be like this. Now let us go for the B question. Now B question. What is the underlined digit here? 7 is the underlined digit. Okay. First, if you go for the Indian system, let us copy the same number here. 7 6 5 3 8 7 5, and underlined digit is 7. Okay. Now according to the Indian system, let us insert commas. In ones period we have 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, and right here ones, tens, hundreds. Then we have thousands period, 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. So right here 1000, 10,000, and then we have lakhs period. So lakh and 10 lakh. If you look for the periods, it will be like this. So what is the place value of this digit here? So in which place it is? 10 lakhs place. So 7 into 10 lakh will be 70 lakh. So let us write like this, 70 lakh. Now I shall say you one more technique. The digit 7 is in the 10 lakhs place. So we are writing 7 into 10 lakh is 70 lakh. Or else see, exactly write the 7 here. And after that, how many digits are there? Once count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So we can place 6 zeros, and according to Indian system we can insert the commas. Now if we go for the international system, let us write the same number first. 7, 6, 5, 3, 8, 7, 5. What is the underlying digit here? 7. Okay. Now according to the international system, let us insert the commas. We have 3 digits. In every period 3 digits. So 3 places I am inserting commas. 1, 2, 3. Let us write the places of the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds in the ones period. Then we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 in the thousands period. What is the next period? Millions period. In millions period we have only one digit, one place, that is 1 million's place. Now 1 million into 7, 1 7's 7. So what is the place value? 7 million is the place value of the given digit. Now let us go for the next bit. 10th bit, form the largest and smallest 8 digit numbers using the following digits in both Indian system as well as international system. Okay, the digits are given like this. How many digits? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits they have given, and with these 8 digits we have to form the smallest number as well as largest number in Indian system as well as international system. So this is simple, same like ascending order and descending order. If we go for this largest and smallest number, first let us form the largest number in Indian system. Okay, largest number means the first digit, means the highest place should have the largest digit. Okay, now look here, in this all digits, what is the largest digit here? We have 9 as well as 9. 9 is repeating 2 times, so no problem, let us write 9 2 times. So largest number means we have to form large digits to small digits, arranging like descending order. So less than 9, what number is there? There is no 8, we have 7. Okay, 7 is there. 7 after less than number is 6. Do we have 6 here? No. What we have? Digit 5 2 times. So 5 and 5, 2 digits, complete it, right? Next, less than 5, 4. Digit 4 is not here. Less than 4, 3. Do we have 3 here? Yes, we have 1 3 here. And next we have 2. And last we have 1. Now count the digits to clarify whether it is 8 digits or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits we have covered. Now see, whether it is Indian system or international system, the digits arrangement will be same. Largest digit to smallest digit. So let us copy the same digits here. 9 9 7 5 5 3 2 1. There is the difference in Indian and international system, only that we have to insert commas basing on the systems of numerations. Okay, now here in Indian system of numeration we have first ones period 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Then we have thousands period only 2 places. So after 2 places insert comma. After that 2 places in the lakhs period. So lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, then crores period, and we have only 1 digit here. If you go for the international system, each period having 3 places. So we have to insert commas after every 3 digits from the right hand side. Okay, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3. So completed here, 1 2 3 completed. And see, let us read the number like this. So ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and this is crores period. So we have 9 crore 97 lakh 55,321 in Indian system, and this is ones period, thousands period, millions period. So read the number like this: 99,755,321. Now let us form the smallest number. Smallest number is nothing but ascending order from small digit to larger digit. Okay, what is the smallest digit here? 1. Next, after that more bigger number, 2. 2 after 3. Then 3 after 5, and then we have 5 2 times. So let us write 5 2 times. Okay. Then next bigger digit is 7. Then next bigger digit is 9, and we have 9 2 times. So let us write 9 2 times. Okay. Now same digits we have to copy here in the system, because we did not insert any commas here. The arrangement will be same. Okay. 1 2 3 5 5 7 9 9. Now let us insert commas according to the Indian system and international system. Indian system, first period is ones period, 3 places, 1 2 3. Then next period is thousands period, 2 places, 1 and 2. Then next lakhs period, 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs, completed. If we go for the international system, we have 3 places in every period. Okay. So after every 3 digits, let us insert commas. 1 2 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then 3 digits. 1 2 3. What are these places? Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay. After that, millions period, 2 places. Okay. This is how we have to form the smallest number as well as largest number using the given digits. It's simple as like largest number if we take is descending order, smallest number if we take is ascending order. If you observe here, this is the largest number we have formed using the given digits. This is the smallest number we have formed using the given digits. Now see here, what I said, largest number means descending order from bigger number to smaller number. And if you reverse it, see 1 1 2 2 3 3 5 5 5 5 7 7 9 9 9 9. Okay, when you reverse it, it will become smallest number. Okay, when the largest number is written in the reverse, it becomes smallest number. This doesn't work always, because you will understand in the next question. Now question B, what are the digits given? 7 8 5 4 1 2 0, 5. First let us form the largest number. So what is the order? Largest number means greatest digit to smallest digit. What is the greatest digit in this? In these digits? 8. So 8 first. Then 8 after 7 is the smallest number. 7, and after that 5, and 5 repeated 2 times. So let us write 5 2 times. Then smaller number than 5, 4. How many times? Only 1 time. Then smaller number than 4, we have 2 here. Smaller than number 2, 1 we have, and last 0 we have. Count the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits. Okay. Let us copy the same number here. 8 7 5 5 4 2 1 0. Now let us insert commas according to Indian system and international systems of numeration, their periods. Indian system, we have ones period, 3 places. So ones, tens, hundreds. Then next period is thousands period, 2 places. Thousands, 10,000s. Then we have lakhs period, 2 places. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Arrangement of commas, inserting commas completed in Indian system. Now look here, international system. International system, 3 places for every period. So after every 3 digits, insert commas. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. We form largest number in Indian system as well as international system. Now let us write the smallest number. Now see, among the given digits, what is the smallest digit here? 0. But while forming the smallest number, when the digit 0 is given, we have to insert the digit 0 in the second place. Because if we insert 0 in the first place, there will be no value for the 0. Then the 8 digits number will become 7 digits only. What is the question? The question given is form the 8 digit number. If it 0 in the first place, then it will become 7 digits only, as 0 doesn't have any place if we keep insert in the first place. Okay. So let us insert 0 in the second place only. Remember this thing. When that 0 is given, even it is smallest digit, you have to insert it in the second place. Now, smallest number means what? Ascending order, small to bigger number. What is the smallest? 0. We are keeping aside, second place. Then more bigger than 0 is 1. Now we have to insert 0. Okay. Now what is a more bigger number than 1? 2 in the given digits. Then increase the order. 4, then 5, then 2 times, 5 2 times, then 7, then 8. Okay, count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. Now let us copy the same number here. 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8. According to the Indian system, 3 places in the ones period, ones, tens, hundreds. 2 places in the thousands period, thousands, 10,000s. 2 places in the lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now last, international system, 3 digits after insert a comma, because international system every period is having 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. After that millions, 10 millions. So this is how we form smallest and largest numbers using the given digits. Importantly, that remember, when 0 is given, while forming the smallest number, how to insert 0 in the second place. If we keep 0 in the first place, there will be no value and the 1 digit will be decreased. Question is 8 digits, and if we do in that way, it will become 7 digits. Okay, remember this. So we completed practice time 1.1. Let me ask you a few questions. While writing the place value in both Indian system and international system, will the place value will be same for both Indian system and international system? No. Very good. But it is common for up to some digits, up to some places. Can you say what are the places? Up to 5 places, that is up to 10,000 place. Up to 10,000 place it is common. Okay. When 0 is given in the digits to form the smallest number, where will you place this 0? Very good. You place the 0 in the second place. Okay. When the given question is expanded form, then you have to write the answer as standard form. Very good. When the question is given in the standard form, you have to write in the expanded form. Okay. Now one small question. Face value of 7 in the 700. It is 7 itself. And remember always, face value never changes. Face value of a number is number itself. The place value changes according to the place, but face value will be same. Okay. And I will meet you with the next concept tomorrow. Have a great day.